Hey everybody, it's the mobile home mama. Thought I'd go out in home out here in the lot. And when I walked in this home, I recognized it right away. 16 by 76. This home is the Pokagon. This has been a show home for ours for several years. We just now sold the one that was on the lot, and I'm not sure if we're going to replace it with the same model and maybe switch it up next year. But what is so great about the Pokagon is all of the storage. Look at this, guys. I am standing in a single wide, but lots of cabinet space. We've got a pantry right here and uppers and lowers all the way around. And I love what they did. This is the tobacco floor. We don't see that a whole lot, but when a customer does put it in, gosh, it just reminds me of a chocolate bar. This one, kind of like maybe one with nougat on top, right, with the white countertops. So great home with lots of storage. Here's the kitchen area, opens wide open to a living area. Now, if it were me, I would have enlarged the windows on the sides, but that's the great thing about our homes. Some of them may look plain, but it's up to you. You can build it plain, you can build it with lots of options. You get to choose what you want to put in your home. Now, it comes with the base price comes with the standard features of the home, which are some great standard features. Check it out in the master bedroom. Here we are. This does have an opening. I do have the ability to build a hutch for you. A lot of times customers of mine anyways would just put a dresser there. Nice walk-in closet here, big walk-in closet. Hopefully you can see it. I do have my flash on, hopefully that's working. This customer has carpeted that closet. That is an option as well. And going into the master, this is a standard feature of this home. We've got dual sinks in the vanity. Mirrors overhead. They've added a 3-bulb light strip up there, you can see. We also offer a 2-arm vanity light that I think is very classy. We've got the 60-inch tub shower combination. This home has a built-in linen pantry right there. And let's head back to the other end of the home. About 1,152 square feet on this house. Only available in a 3-bedroom version. We're gonna walk right by the furnace here. Here's your back door. Remember, we do have a reverse aisle if you would be interested in that. Here's bedroom 3. Turning around, we're gonna come right into the laundry area. They've added the washer dryer cabinets. Here is the second bath. Single vanity, mirror, 3-bulb light strip was added there. And then finally into bedroom 2. It may be vice versa. This might be 3 and the other one 2, but one of the extra bedrooms. Closet. Now, let me take a quick walk right back into the living room so that you can see just how wide open this home is. Also, if you wanted to, you could move this window over to this wall so that you could create a little TV wall there. We also have the ability to add a patio door on this wall if you wanted to. We do have the dogwood harvest as an accent wall there, packing materials in the living room. And what a beautiful application of the brown colors in here. Hey everybody, this is the Pokagon, 1,152 square feet, 3-bed, 2-bath. Thanks for watching.